Ensure the liner is dry and free of mud or other contaminants. Trim the Firestone EPDM geomembrane so 4 inches will overlap the other wall to prevent leakage above the inside quick seam corner flashing. Cut the bottom of the membrane at an angle into the corner to facilitate the inside corner flashing. Upon completion, the corner should look like this, with the Firestone EPDM geomembrane slightly wrapped around the next wall. Using a scrubber pad and holder, apply Quick Prime Plus primer to a 14-inch by 14-inch area of the corner. Make sure to extend the primer past the adhered corner flashing. Test the primer flash-off by touching the primed area with your finger and pushing forward at an angle. The primer should not string as your finger is moved up and away. Fold the corner flashing in half with a perforated edge on the bottom. Remove the smaller portion of the release paper. Place the removed portion of the release paper in the folded flashing to facilitate installation. Fold the corner flashing in half again to form a 1/4 circle. Place the corner flashing 1/4 inch from the corner with the short side folded down. Press the quick seam corner flashing tightly into the 90-degree angle and unfold into the corner. Remove the larger portion of release paper and mold the flashing into the remaining 90-degree angles, forming a pig ear-shaped fold just above the corner convergence. Using a scrubber pad and holder, apply Quick Prime Plus primer to both sides of the pig ear-shaped fold and beyond. Before proceeding further, test the primer's flash-off in the same manner as before. Fold the pig ear over using the primer as an adhesive to hold the fold of the flashing in place. Cover the pig ear fold with a second quick seam corner flashing. Note, it is important not to overstretch the quick seam corner flashing while adhering. A loss of the embossed pattern indicates overstretching. Using Quick Prime Plus, make sure to prime all surface areas that the quick seam flashing will contact. Remove the release paper and center the tape or flashing in the corner and over the pig ear fold. Using a hand roller, roll the flashing to ensure adhesion. Apply a continuous bead of lap sealant HS or all-purpose sealant over the edges of all tape or flashing. Note, a heat gun may be necessary to form the flashing during cool weather. When using Firestone products, follow all appropriate safety guidelines.